Good morning everyone. Today we are going to study the next chapter, fourth chapter, the ashes that made trees bloom. This chapter tells you and gives you a moral that a person who gets love will always repay. If you love someone, you will be repaid. In any sense, in any way. This chapter is about not telling the love of the humans. This chapter tells about the love between a human and an animal. Most of you have a pet, and you know that you love your pet very much. I also love my pet very much. It means that there is a great bond of humanity, of love, compassion, attraction between a human and a pet. It means there also can be a bond between an animal and a human. And this story tells you the same. Okay? Because after killing the animal, after death of the dog was helping in some way to his masters or mistress. You know? Okay? Before going to the text, let's switch to a simple briefing of this chapter. This is a story about an honest and hard-working old couple and a pet dog. The neighbors are troublesome and the dog dies a sad death. The spirit of the dog gives solace and support to his master in unexpected ways. It means even being died, he was helping his masters. Who was helping? Dog was helping. And how? Let's see. Because you all know that lively a person can help a person. But after being dead, how can a person help someone? Let's see. Sorry for the interruption. In the good old days of Dalmos, there lived an old couple whose only pet was a little dog. Having no children, they loved it as though it were a baby. The old dame made it a cushion of blue crepe and a mealtime cocoa, for that it was its name. Would sit on as snug as any cat. The kind people fed the pet with tidbits of fish from their own chopsticks and at the boiled rice it wanted. Thus created, the dumb creature loved its protector like a being with a soul. You know that in the first paragraph it is telling that what was the attitude and behavior of the dame. It means of the old man towards the dog. Like he made a small cushion for the dog of the blue color crepe, and the dog was always sleeping on that cushion. Even the old man was feeding him with his own chopsticks. You know, in Japan, people don't use fork and knives. They generally use chopsticks even to eat boiled rice. Okay, so he always fed the dog with his own hand, with his own chopsticks. It means he was loving the dog just like his own child, because they were not having any children, as it is written here, having no children. So both the parent, it means the old man and old woman, they were loving the dog just like their own child, because they are not having any child. So even it was a dumb creature. Dumb creature, it means he doesn't understand the feeling of a human. Generally it has been understood that animal don't think, animal don't even having any emotion, but it had. Okay. Now the old man, being a rice farmer, went daily with hoe and spade into fields, working hard, and from morning until Otentosama. There is a word Otentosama that means to sunset, and had gone on beyond the hill. It means every day the old man used to go to the field to work hard to the fields to do something in the area of cultivation, and what is needed in the fields, he always goes to there. And when he goes, the dog always followed with him till the field. One day, every day the dog followed him to the work, and never once harming the white heron that walked in the footsteps of the old man to pick up the worms. There were used to a heron. Heron is a bird who eats earthworm. Okay, who eat earthworm by digging by scratching, by licks some earthworm from the fields, because you know that at the time of plowing all the earthworm comes up on the level of the ground. That's why it ate those earthworm who came up on the earth level outside and the top of the earth. So, but the dog never harmed that heron. It means not only the master was kind, the dog also became very kind-hearted, because he never harmed the heron, any birds, even he never harmed any person. He never barked on any person. Okay. Next, one day the dog came running to him, putting his paws against the legs and motioning with his head to some spot behind. The old man at first thought his pet was only playing and did not mind it, but the dog kept on winning and running to and fro for some minutes. Then the old man followed the dog a few yards to a place where the animal began a lively scratching. Thinking it was possibly a buried bone or a bit of fish, the old man stuck his hoe in the earth when, lo, a pile of gold gleamed before him. It means one day the dog came running and he started stretching the legs of the old man, because she was, I think, giving some marks, he was wishing to give some indication to his master that he had found something. And when he started scratching the legs of the master didn't mind it, but later when he followed the dog carried him to a place where a lot of gold coin was buried, and both it means the master and the dog started digging the land, and they found a lot of treasure. You can see in the picture. Are you able to see? I think. Okay, now let's move. Thus in one hour the old couple were made the rich, and the good souls bought a piece of land, made a feast for their friends, and gave plentiful to their poor neighbors. As for the dog, they petted him till they nearly smothered with kindness. It means for this in the 1 hour the old couple were made. It means just because within 1 hour they became very richer, they spent some money to buy the piece of land, and he even gave a little party to the other neighbors in their locality. But the people of living in the neighborhood, they were not happy with this wealth of the old man, and even they were thinking and felt jealous for the wealth of because of the wealth of the old man, which they got in very little time. So it was the main reason of jealousy of the neighbors. Okay. Now, in the same village, there there lived a wicked old man and wife. His wife not a bit sensitive and kind. It means they were unkind. It means one couple who they were having a dog, they were very kind, and another couple we are going to introduce, they were unkind. Okay, so what they did, let's see. Who had always kicked and scolded all the dogs whenever any passed their house. It means they never loved any dog, they never loved any pet, they never loved anyone, they never loved any animal. Okay, so they were totally unkind towards the animal. And that time when they came to know that a dog helped the old man to find that treasury, they became very jealous, and they were started planning how to get the money from that dog only. Even they were even started considering the dog a lucky charm for those old couple. Okay. So hearing of their neighbor's good luck, they coaxed the dog into their garden and set before him bit of fish and other dainties, hoping he would find the treasure for them. Now they started planning that the dog is very lucky for anyone, and they started giving him food for one day. So they thought that they would get the money just like the old kind couple. So they gave the money they gave the food, but the dog was totally afraid of them because he was not knowing those unkind couple. Okay. Now, but the dog, being afraid of the cruel pair, would never eat nor move. It means he neither eat. Neither eat means he didn't eat the food, he didn't move. And now, so they dragged him out of the door and taking a spade and hoe with them. They were thinking that wherever the dog will go, he will reach the treasure. And having that dream, they started following the dog. And the dog reached a place where he started scratching the land. And the old couple thought that this is the place where another treasury is there, and they started digging. When they started digging, they found a dead kitten inside that land, and they got very sad, and even they got very angry at the dog's practice. And this time, because of their anger, they killed the dog. They killed the dog, and now the case of the dog has been ended. So this time it is very sad news for us that the cute dog, now he is no more. And now then okay, now the chapter will be completed in the next video. Thank you.